Hello everybody. Today we're going to be letting ChatGPT decide how to make a V6 engine in automation. Let's get into it. Okay, so I've previously put this through prompt in ChatGPT and it has told me a step-by-step guide on how to make the engine in automation. So let's get it started. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that we're over in automation, ChatGPT has told me to go for a 60-degree V6 aluminium 3-litre dual overhead cam 4-valve. It wants me to have the crank set to, let's see actually, what does it want me the crank set to? It wants it set as a cast iron with cast con rods and cast heavy pistons. It does not want any harmonic dampeners though, so we're not going to do harmonic dampeners. Compression, it doesn't really say. Oh no, here we go, we've got a 10:1 compression. Cam profile we're going to keep as is, and RPM limit we're going to have as 7,500. We're going to have VVT intakes with VVL, and we're skipping a supercharger and turbocharger. It wants it to keep it perfectly naturally aspirated. We're going with a full barrel carburetor, twin carb. Doesn't say to tune any of this, so we're going to leave it as is. We're going for an unleaded Super 98 RON with compact intake manifolds. Cast low dual exhaust with no bypass valves, a 3-way catalytic converter, baffled exhaust, and none second muffler. And there's our engine. Okay, now let's see how it sounds. Now all that's left to do is we've got to make a vehicle for this engine to go in, so that's what we'll be doing next. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that we're over at the car design department, we're going to AI generate it just because, you know, it's an AI generated engine. Most of AI generate the body. So let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, now this is what the AI in automation has given me. I'm going to see if the engine will fit, because I'm pretty darn sure. Oh no. Wait, this isn't my engine. Hold on. So a V6 does fit, but this is not the engine that the AI had built in ChatGPT. So let's put the existing engine in. Here we go, the AI V6. Okay, so the AI tuned it, but not really well, so we're going to have to do a bit of that. And we're also going to put a bit of fixtures on, so I'll do a time lapse of that. Okay, now over in BeamNG Drive, we're going to test this thing out. I've already given it a quick drive around. It's not the best because it's a front wheel drive video, as you can expect. It's not too bad. The brakes are absolutely horrendous on it. Like, proper horrendous. I might just take it to the drag. We'll drive over to the drag strip and see how good it does. We're not going to quick travel. We built this car for I probably should have made an interior. I'm going to start learning how to do those. Be doing more more cars with interiors. Yeah, this just looks absolutely might do a run on it with just the engine, and then I might chuck a bottle of nitrous in it just because fun. Alright, we're gonna give it a go just perfectly stock with the engine that's built in it, and then we'll put a bottle of nitrous with 100 kilowatts, and then for funsies, 500 kilowatts, sorry, just to see if it'll explode. Because, you know, why not? That was horrendous. Only 180 watt, 182 I think it was. Absolutely horrible. Alright, now let's chuck, what did I say? We'll chuck 100 kilowatts through it of nitrous. Where is it? 50 kilowatt, nah, 100 kilowatt. Beautiful, okay. The nitrous really helped it. I saw 232 by the end of that drag strip. Now for the fun part, where we chuck 500 kilowatts through it. Just to watch it explode for fun. Where's the nitrous? There it is. Just have it come on as early as possible. Alright. Wow, I'm actually really shocked that it didn't blow up the engine, but I saw, what was it, 280 by the end of the drag strip, so not too bad. Yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna be trying to do more videos when I have time to do it, but I will see you next time. Bye.